Hello everyone, this is Connor from Maptek Eyesight. Today I'm going to show you the image registration option in Eyesight Studio 5.0. The aim of this tool is to drape any image on top of any surface. But for the example today we will try to drape an image on top of an Eyesight scan triangulation. As you know, Eyesight scanners are able to capture the points and the image simultaneously. So for example we can watch the points and select some points, connect, and drape the image automatically. Okay, this is a very nice image, nice resolution scan, and that is because of the sun is in the back of the scanner. You can actually see the shadow of the scanner in the dataset. Okay, but if we have a look on the next scan, right click on the scan, view scan from origin, you see that the result now is the scan looks more opaque and very bright than the top left corner because the sun is actually in between the wall and the scanner, so it's hard to get the best result for the image. So this is the reason of the example today. We want to create a surface from here and then drape a better quality image. So for that purpose I have while during the scanning time for this dataset I took a picture. This is what we are looking now. This has a better quality, and the purpose is to try to bring this image on top of the triangulation. Okay, so we have two steps for the process. We need to prepare the data, and then we have to register the image. To prepare the data, we need to first crop the scan at the right side according to the image, to the photo we have. Then we have to connect the points. With the connection of the point, we are able to drape the image, the scanner image, on top of the scan, and then we have to model and create a surface with the scan triangulation option. That's very straightforward. Let's hide the scan now and bring the triangulation. Looks the same. So we will go and edit. We have some holes, so let's fill the holes. There was some missing points here, so yeah, that's better. Now let's go to the second part, which is register the image by drag and drop the image on Studio. So this import image panel is gonna come up with the standard photograph to surface, which is the option we are going to choose. Okay, so we have the image now into the panel. This is what we need for the registration. You can zoom in and out with the roll. We need the surface, so just click on the surface to populate that field. And now we have to use the multi-point option. The multi-point requires a minimum of 8 points to pick between the image and the surface. So the idea is to find common features between both, so the software can finally drape the image correctly onto this surface. Okay, so to start with, we will go to the image point, click on the image point, and try to look for common features between both. Let's say there is a black mark here. We can click here and then click there, and then we have the first point. Let's look for another point. You have to try to look for points evenly distributed across the triangulation, not all together in the same place, and keep going. Third point. Let's go to the fourth point. Have a little stone there. Okay, so we have the 8 points, and if you have a look now, we have two columns in the middle, the distance error and the angular error in meters and in degrees. So if we have a look just at the distance, you can see that we have 55 centimeters error, 40, 50, 50, 30. And I know we can do better than that, so the way to improve the accuracy of the result is by clicking or adding extra point. So that's what we're going to try now. Just look for another point and see if we can improve that. So let's pick another point. That's gonna allow the software to improve the accuracy. So okay, we have 9 points now, and if we see now, the distance error has improved a lot. So we just have a couple of centimeters errors, and that's pretty good. So if we come to see the display here, we can activate the camera position, the image and word reprojected points. That is gonna show you, it's gonna show us how the software works. You don't have to do that, but it's just to explain you how the software is working now. We can see the camera position that the software has calculated based on the 9 point we have just picked. Okay, so that is what the software is doing in the back. So we just need to click OK and see how the image is overlaying now the triangulation, and done. Yep, that looks pretty good. So you can see the edges that are very coincide with the image, and the image is much better than before. So for example, this is a good result for a face mapping application. So maybe what you want to do is to start working with your identifying or digitizing your contact, or or boundaries, or faults, or whatever you want to identify in the surface, and is all in 3D. So then you can export all this data, which is gonna be in the right coordinates. Okay, so that's it. You can give it a try, and you can call us if you need any help. But that is all for this tool. Hope you have enjoyed, and see you next time.